group company Romania. We would like to thank BYC company because we satisfied for the product, and we'd like to thank you again for your good product, and we looking forward for more collaboration in the future. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Ismail. I'm from the Maldives. I got this CNC machine from Yuantong Century. The quality of this machine is excellent, and the after-sales service team is very efficient. I highly recommend, if you are getting a CNC machine, please do contact Yuantong Century. Thank you.
My name is John Nguyen. I live in Texas, USA. I bought the laser machine from BYT company for more than a year already. Everything is good, runs perfect. And also I bought another two machines from BYT also. This one is CNC Plasma and the other one is CNC Welder. So I can say they support very good. Whatever I needed, I call them. They show me, they teach me everything. So I will say thank you, Daisy, and also I thank you, engineer Jackie, and another one is engineer Alan. Well, thank you very much. Bye-bye.
This is a rubber that we buy from Natasha, and we have made some projects in stone. This is a very good stuff. We put PP on it. This is the box of the control box. We have been working with this roller several times ago, like 3 months. This is a very good stuff for us, and they make a very good aftermarket services. Thank you very much.
From the USA. I bought this CNC router from Yuantong Century, and the machine has been working very well for my business. We have had a couple of things that we need after sales support, few small things, training, and their service, their after sales service has been kindly and professional all the time. I really like this machine, so if you're looking at buying any type of CNC, I strongly suggest to buy from my Yuantong Century. Thank you very much.
From Philippines, I brought this machine CNC from Yuantong Century. This machine helps us to create and cut acrylic, stainless, and TF. After I bought this machine, the after sales of Yuantong are so good. Help us to troubleshoot a lot of different kinds of issues that happen in our machine, including tutorials, how to cut, and also this machine helps us improve our quality of our designs.